we now start with our first award in the individual category. Prime Minister's Award for Excellence goes to Shri Om Prakash Chaudhary, Collector Dantewada, IAS Officer of 2005 batch. Shri Chaudhary is being recognized for his efforts towards the educational initiatives in Dantewada. The Naxal-affected areas of South Bastar and Dantewada had a literacy level as low as 33%. This project has achieved the distinction of spreading education, exposure and employment through the projects and literacy programs like Tamanna, Education City, Livelihood College, Nane Parinda and so on. Let's now put once again our hands together for the man behind this mission, Shri Om Prakash Chaudhary. Next awardee is Shri Amit Gupta, an IAS officer and then District Magistrate of Badaun District in Uttar Pradesh, and he gets an award in the individual category for the initiative Dalia Jalao, liberating scavengers and moving towards total sanitation. The most important stakeholders of this initiative are people engaged in manual scavenging. This project started in July 2010, and by July 2011, all scavengers were rescued and rehabilitated, and burning of the wicker baskets of the manual scavengers became the hallmark of this drive. And moving on, the next awardee in the individual category, Prime Minister's Award for Excellence, goes to Shri Darpan Jain, IAS Officer of the 2001 batch, and then Deputy Commissioner of Dharwad. Mr. Jain is being awarded for his initiative titled Saving Open Spaces and Urban Lakes, Soul, and Cultural Rejuvenation of the Twin City of Hubli, Dharwad. Ladies and gentlemen, this initiative was aimed at revitalization of the city to restore its open spaces and urban lakes. This initiative has also been very successful in rejuvenating cultural centers of the city. The next award is for the team initiative now, Sugarcane Information System of Uttar Pradesh. The group of officers led by Shri Kamran Rizvi, IAS officer, worked, collaborated, accessibility and use of handheld computers, standardization and training of the management and development of the Sugarcane Information System. It's worth noting that this program, ladies and gentlemen, has been extremely effective with 3.48 million hits on website, 2.76 million IVRS calls covering 125 sugar mills and 30 lakh sugarcane farmers. Once again, the team comprising of Shri Kamran Rizvi, Shri Amitabh Prakash, Shri Rajesh Kumar Pandey, Shri Anil Kumar Sharma, Shri Satyendra Singh, Shri Satyendra Singh, and Dr. Virendra Bahadur Singh. The next Team Initiative Award goes to the project titled Transforming the Commercial Taxes Department of Karnataka. The group of officers led by Shri Pradeep Singh Kharola, IAS, then Commissioner, Commercial Taxes Department, introduced a new paradigm in tax administration in the state of Karnataka. Well, these include new systems and procedures of self-policing electronic systems like eSugam and eVarad. This initiative reduced number of people coming to the department on the daily basis to less than 1,000 a day as compared to approximately 30,000. And more so, the state revenue recorded growth rate of about 22% in 2011-12, and also this initiative proved highly environment friendly by saving at least 3 tons of paper every day. Very glad to introduce the team. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for this team initiative, Shri Pradeep Singh Kharola. Shri Ajay Seth. Shri Subodh Yadav, Shri H.N. Jayapal, Shri A. Venkatesan, Shri A. Venkatesan, Shri P.V. Bhatt, and Shri R.E. Tippaswamy. And now we move on to the organizational category awards being recognized today. Prime Minister's Award for Excellence in Public Administration for the year 2011-12 in the organization category goes to Rural Management and Development Department, Government of Sikkim, for their initiative titled Excellence in Rural Management and Development in the Challenging Physical Environment of the Sikkim Himalaya. One of the most significant output of this project has been employment of at least 65% of the rural household through Manrega in the year 2011-12, and also the increase of tap water accessibility as drinking water source in the year 2011. On behalf of government in Sikkim, we have with us Shri D.R. Nepal to receive this award. And the last award in the organizational category goes to the Directorate of Employment and Training of Gujarat State for the initiative titled Kaushalya Vardhan Kendra Skill Development Project. Ladies and gentlemen, it's worth noting, with the goal of providing employment to the youth of Gujarat, more than 8.2 lakh youth obtained training, with at least 5 lakh women participants in the year 2012. This initiative used existing infrastructure, imparted at least 1,076 skills through 72 training courses in 300 Kendra Vidyalayas with DTH connections. I now request Ms. Sonal Mishra, IAS from 1997 batch, to collect this award on the behalf of the Government of Gujarat. Ladies and gentlemen, once again, a huge round of applause for all the awardees present here. I now request all the awardees to kindly come to the desk for the photo opportunity with Honorable Prime Minister Dr. Manmohan Singh. I request rest of you, the delegates, to kindly take their seats.